My dear friends, my dear masters, and my dear gods, today is a great day. We rededicate ourselves to the nation. Rededicating ourselves to the nation means rededicating to the nation's work, building work. We have to build the nation for a better tomorrow. We have to spread meditation for a better tomorrow. We have to build pyramids for a better tomorrow. We have to bring a vegetarian society for a better society. Work is constantly before us. Unending work, endless work. We are geared to that. That means we are rededicating ourselves to our work. We can take gaps here and there in our work and enjoy ourselves. But the main thing is work. That work sustains us, keeps us going in the right direction. We should all work with our bodies, minds, intellects, and Atma towards that goal. Mahatma Gandhi did that. We all have to do that. We are all children of the Father of the nation. We are all children of God. As children of God, we are all gods. Everything is a God. Everybody is a God. That is the consciousness we work in. We are all one. In this oneness, our work is heading towards its fulfillment. We will build a grand India. An India that is our best image. We are building a grand world which is the line of our best vision. Good, better, and best. Best vision. We are constantly bettering ourselves. This betterment is constant. Today, you listen to others in a deeper way compared to yesterday. Today, you read something in a very special way, deep way compared to yesterday. Today, you express yourself perfectly compared to yesterday. Today you cook very wonderfully with all the concentration. Today you eat every morsel of it. You are deeply involved in the work. Our work shows us, reveals us. What are we made up of? What stuff we are made up of? We are of the stuff of Mahatma Gandhi. We are of the stuff of Lord Krishna. The Bhagavad Gita. We are of that stuff. So our work should reveal all those things. Thank you and good luck.